Okay, don't beat me up. I know some of you guys was like, Gene, when is the course going to drop? I said that earlier, right? But guys who are brand new, you just don't know the amazing phone calls I have received, the high demand of this course. And basically, let me just give you a little bit more background about me. I'm an ex-IRS auditor with over 20 years tax and financial experience. I am the founder and CEO of the Institute of Financial Freedom and Investment Solutions. And we have several companies, okay, the Luck Firm, Wealthy Women Enterprises, and so on. But I have been getting contact because a lot of people know me, have seen me on Good Day Atlanta, Good Morning America. I work with Danny Glover, Fran Tarkenton, some of the Real Housewives of Atlanta. I service a lot of high profile clients. And one of the things, guys, I've traveled all over teaching, educating, speaking on stages all across the world. And here's the thing. With that, I also have a tax and financial company. And we had been doing clients doing taxes, business, and personal. And I only got back into it because when I was on tour with Danny Glover, they hired me to come in and teach the tax advantage of owning a business. You know, a lot of people after was like, oh my God, do you do taxes? And at the time I had, you know, like I said, I left the IRS from being an auditor. I was done. I was burnt out. But when I did the presentation, when I went on tour with them, a lot of people, you know, it comes out my profession, what I did and things of that nature. And they was like, do you do taxes? And I was like, and Danny, I blame Danny Glover. Yes, the actor. Yes, Lethal Weapon, Danny Glover. He said, babe, just go on and get that money, babe. Because at that time I was a single mom with 4 kids, had went through a bad divorce and raising kids by myself. So, you know, I needed that stream of income. Thank God I had it because I was able to put my children through college, be able to take care of them and things of that nature before I got recently happily married a few years ago. Now, look, check this out. With that, I love the coaching. I love the mentorship. I love traveling. I love speaking. But I'm not going to lie to you. I can't fake it. I hated doing taxes. Okay, I hated doing taxes. I hated sitting behind the desk. I hated the W-2s. I hated the 1040, the Schedule Cs, all that. And I was making about $300 to $500 per client. Okay, now if I did amendments or if I did prior years, then that went up. You know, you got to know how to scale your business. You know, if you haven't scaled your business, you're a tax professional or looking to get in this game, you got to know where your tickets, your small ticket, mid ticket, and high tickets. If you don't have that, look, you're going to get burnt out. So long story short, the amount of time, yeah, you do the taxes, but once you think it's a hit it and quit it, oh no, it's not. Because when you prepare taxes, you're thinking, okay, once I send it off, it's out of my office. But no, I was getting phone calls all time of night, people trying to figure, when am I going to get my refund? And you know, we just came out of this pandemic and all the things that's been going on and all the changes and the advanced child tax credit and all this other stuff with the stimulus, and people were not remembering what amount that they receive. And so that was holding back their taxes and all that. And I was just like, it's just not worth it for me. Now, for you, you might be passionate about doing taxes or what have you. So I don't want to discourage you from doing it. And some of you might be wanting to get into tax game. If that's you, great. But if you're looking to scale and take it up, I want to show you how we went from $300 to $500 a client to $3,000 to $5,000 a client and more, legally, ethically, and morally. That's what this 4-week course is about. We're going to break it down. We're going to show you what industry we're in. It's still dealing with the tax professional, but guys, we're going to show you how you don't have to touch not one W-2, not one 1040, that you're not going to be called all times of night, that nobody's going to be calling you, where's my refund, when I'm going to get my refund, this, that, and the other. This industry is huge. It is huge. And yes, it's still dealing with taxes. What I want you to do is I want you to scroll down. You're going to get information on how to register for this 4-week course and how to become a professional tax consultant. Yes. What is a tax consultant? Well, we'll talk about that when you enroll for the course. We're going to break down step by step what you need to do. What's the legal ramification, how to protect yourself, but how to scale and go from just earning 300 to 500 legally, ethically, and morally to 3,000 to 5,000 or more legally, ethically, and morally. I say that all the time because I don't do schemes. I don't do scams. Okay. I am a former IRS agent. Understand that. Now, what I want to tell you guys, what I love about this is that it's not seasonal. This is year round. Now, I want you to think about this right quick. What made me decide to scale up and get into this arena, it was when I sat down and I did the math and I said, wait a minute. One client when I was doing taxes is like 300 to 500, right? Okay, how many clients would I need to equate to one client at 3,000? Let's do the math. I would have to do 10 people at 300 to equate to one client at 3,000. I'm going to say it again for those in the back. I had to go from looking at 10 clients at 300 with the headaches and the calling and when I'm going to get my refund and, oh, you know, did you do my taxes? All this old kind of craziness to one client at 3,000 or more. Now imagine if you got 4 clients in a month at 3,000, that's $12,000. What about if I got 4 clients at 5,000 each? What is that? $20,000? The potential is huge. That's all I'm going to say. The potential is huge. Now, again, for those who follow me, those who subscribe to me, you guys have been begging tax professionals. Tax groups have been hitting me up. When is the course being released? The course is released now. First come, first serve. The course packs out. Guys, I'm telling you right now, you want to go ahead and register. All you got to do is fill out the information, pull out your credit card, go ahead and register, guys, and you will receive the information to go into your vault and start your first class. Now, remember, every class is 5 days apart. This is what I want you to understand. When you sign into your vault, you're going to put your name, your email, create a password or whatever. Your first class is going to be waiting for you. And then what you want to do, you want to save that sheet, okay, with your username, password. It's a quick way to get to the back office. Click on that, sign in. 5 days later, week 2 is going to be there. So 5 days out, you'll have your courses. It comes with tons of support. You can read it all down below. I'm just so excited for you. And this is your time, not your turn. Go ahead and register. Congratulations. Woo! I'm so excited that this is off my back. Go ahead and register. I'll see you on the other side. And let's make it great, guys. This is your year. Let's do something great. And let's help alleviate the pains of the world. God bless you. And I see you in class. Take care.